Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Mercedes-Benz app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Mercedes-Benz app, also known as Mercedes-Me Connect, gives you drivers powerful remote control over their vehicles. You can lock or unlock doors, locate your car, check fuel or battery level, monitor your tires pressure, and even preheat or cool the cabin before you get in. For electric model, it has a charging management and a station locator with extras like service reminder and a digital upgrade, which makes the app a solid companion for modern Mercedes owner. On the downside, all the features work with every model. Some connected service are tied to subscription after an initial trial period. Users also report occasional glitches with login or connectivity, which can be frustrating when relying solely on remote functions. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz app is worth using if you want a minimized convenience and control over your vehicle, but expect limitation depending on your model and subscription. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the description button and subscribe for more review.